Jollypebbleskids, sing, learn, play, grow!
Hello, children. Oh my, our classroom is a little messy today. I see toys on the floor. I see books that need to go back on the shelf. I see crayons and blocks everywhere. Can you help me clean it up?
Okay, Miss Debbie.
I knew you would. Let's work together. When we all help, cleaning is easy, and it's fun. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss Debbie. Come on, children. Let's sing and clean up together. Clean up, everybody clean up. Pick it up, put it away. Let's make our classroom bright today. Clean up, everybody sing. Working together makes us smile. Can you find a teddy bear? Pick it up! Wonderful! Now put it on the shelf. Can you find a toy car? Pick it up! Great job! Now park it nicely. Can you find the colorful blocks? Pick them up, stack them carefully. Let's keep cleaning. Clean up, everybody clean up. Pick it up, put it away. Let's make our classroom bright today. Everybody helping, everybody smiling, working as a team. Oh, look! Some books are on the floor. Can you help? Pick them up carefully. Open the bookshelf, slide the books inside. Wonderful! Nice and neat! High five! Action break! Can you clap? Clap, clap! Now stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp! Now stretch up high. Now touch your toes. Now let's keep cleaning. Clean up, everybody clean up. Working together is lots of fun. Cleaning can be done by everyone. Let's put the crayons away. Red, blue, yellow, green. Now the pencils, now the markers. Close the box. Well done! Everything has a special place. Can you find one more toy? Did you find it? Amazing! Can you wave it? Now put it away. Excellent! Clean up, everybody clean up. Little hands working together. Happy classroom, happy friends, happy day. Look around, can you see the little chairs? Let's push them in. 1, 2, 3. Push them in gently. Wonderful! Now let's wipe the tables. Wipe, nice and clean. Our classroom is looking beautiful. Can you give me a thumbs up? Great job! Clean up, everybody clean up. Little hands working together. Happy classroom, happy friends, happy day. Let's look high, let's look low. Is there a toy hiding somewhere? Can you find it? There it is. Pick it up, put it away. Amazing! Now let's look for a book. Found one? Wonderful! Put it on the bookshelf. Now let's look for a crayon. Pick it up, close the crayon box. Perfect! Everything is back in its special place. I'm so proud of you. Let's look around. Is the floor clean? Yes! Are the toys away? Yes! Are the books on the shelf? Yes! Is our classroom beautiful? Yes! I'm so proud of you. Clean up, everybody clean up. We work together side by side. Now our classroom looks so bright. Clean up, hip hooray! You all did a wonderful job today.
Wonderful job, everyone. High five.
High five, Noah. High five, Liam. The room is so tidy.
It looks beautiful. Great teamwork.
Yay!